In demand TV. You know, a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually said that.
Going under the bridge, going under the ground now, so you can see we are heading under the ground. So everybody go over. So we there Barclay with people. Barclay. People outside. Train them and come back to back, but we can't really see them. Some of them over the other side, so don't say a word. Alright. Hello. This is New York, my people. Walking you through. Currently in Brooklyn right now. I never know me them last, but follow me on my journey. showing you New York City. You know, want to see city, this is the city that's never sleeps. So, who want to see the city, this is the city. So, welcome to the city. Yeah. Welcome to the city. Welcome to the city. So, this is the city. The city that never sleeps, people. They say, "We want to come to New York." This is New York. This is a foreign member, foreign. We say, "We want to come," don't it? See how the place look? This is the real foreign with them not show no. You see what I say? So the foreign with them not show no. But we are showing it. So as you can see, everybody a move around and do them things. It's a hustle and bustle city. You see what I say? It's a hustle and bustle city, so follow me. Going to my